guys, so for my nails I usually like doing it by my own because because I don't really like going to salon, to do my nail. I prefer to change it when I want. So, when you do it by your own, you can change it whenever you want, and you can put all the colors that you want, and you can even save money if you do your nails by your own. So that's why I prefer to do my nails by my own. So now I'm gonna show you how I usually do my nails. I use a semi-permanent nail polish. It usually stays around 2 or 3 weeks. It depends on you. If you do a lot of things at home, it will take off maybe before, but it's normal. I usually do all my I clean my house by my own. So sometimes the semi-permanent that I do doesn't really stay for 3 weeks. Maybe it stays around 2 weeks, but it's already a lot. It's enough. Now I'm gonna show you how I do my nails, so keep watching. So first of all, I have to remove my transparent nail polish. So I take this cotton, so I take this nail polish remover. Take this nail polish remover and take off my transparent nail polish. So after you take off your transparent nail polish, you're ready to go. The first thing that you have to do is you have to file your nails. So you have to use the nail file. I usually use this. I have to prepare my nails before I put on the semi-permanent nail polish. So what I do is I get my nail here and try to file it. So now my nails are ready. So first thing that I'm gonna do to make the nail polish semi-permanent stick on, I have to put some nail primer. So the nail primer is a little bit sticky. It's like a glue, so it's gonna make your nail polish stick on your nail, and it's gonna stay probably 2 or 3 weeks. So this is the primer that I use, Nail Primer Gel Plus. So I put this nail primer on. So guys, I suggest you to do it 2 times. So try to do it twice so that the nail polish is gonna stick better. So you have to close it after you use it because it's gonna dry otherwise. So after you actually I have a lot of colors, but for today I would just like to use this dark red color by Elite 99. I got this from Amazon. So actually I bought like around 10 colors. So for today I'm gonna use this color. I'm using this 36 watt beauty nail lamp. I got this from Amazon as well. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some base coat. I have to put a base coat first. Now I'm going to show you what I am going to apply on my nails. So first of all, I put some base coat. I use this base coat. Then after it, I put it inside the lamp. Wait a second, I'm gonna show you. So actually I put my nails here, and then I wait for around like 2 minutes. So I wait for 2 minutes, make it dry, and then put on the color nail polish, and then I put it again inside the nail lamp. I wait again for 2 minutes, and then on the end I put on the no wipe transparent semi-permanent, so that it's gonna fix on the nail polish that I put. So let me start. So first of all, I put on, actually I always do the 4 fingers first, and I try to put it like this in the lamp. I do my thumbs later on, because sometimes when I put it inside the nail lamp, all the nail polish will just how do you say, drip away. So I prefer to put on the 4 fingers left and right first on the nail lamp, and then later on I do my thumbs. So let me start putting on the base coat. So this is the base coat. I'm gonna do my 4 fingers first. So guys, now I did my the four fingers left and right. Now I'm gonna put it inside the lamp. So guys, sorry for the washing machine on the back, but actually I don't have any other plug, so I have to put it there to be able to make you see. So what I do is I put my fingers this way, and I put it inside the nail lamp. So actually I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes. Now that I finished putting on the base coat, I'm gonna put on some gel polish. So guys, after putting your gel polish, I will put again my hands inside the nail lamp and wait for 2 minutes until it will dry. So guys, after letting your nail gel dry, I suggest you to do it a second time so that the color will be a little bit thicker. So do it twice. So guys, I did it twice. Now I'm gonna put it again in the nail lamp. Now I'm gonna put on the transparent no base wipe. So I'm gonna put this no wipe top from Amelia. So I'm gonna do the same procedures. I'm gonna do the 4 fingers on the left and right. After putting on the no wipe, I will put again my fingers inside the nail lamp. Now, as I did my fingers, I just have to do my thumbs for the last. So now I'm gonna do the same procedure. I'm gonna put on the base coat, and then put it inside the lamp again for 2 minutes, and then put the gel polish, and then the top finish transparent polish. So I suggest you to put again twice the gel polish. There you go. And I'm gonna put it inside the lamp again for 2 minutes. After putting on the gel polish, I will be putting the no wipe polish on the top. It's a no wipe top nail polish. Now I will put it inside the nail lamp, and I'll be back in a second, in 2 minutes. I finally made my nails. Now here are my nails. Now that I showed you nails, I have to say goodbye. So thank you for watching and see you on my next vlogs.